Hey, beautiful people of Calgary and area. I have got a treat in store for you. I am Victoria Johnson from thetraining.ca and victoriajohnson.ca. And for the first time ever, we are offering a training program open to the public, and it is a one-day training managing conflict and dealing with difficult people. I went last year to England and trained under these people and was so impressed by them that I decided to bring them to you, to Canada, to Calgary, September 29th, 2018. What you can expect from the trainers is professional delivery and great insight. So in this one-day interactive workshop, what you will learn is insight into the psychological aspects of people and why they behave the way that they do, introduction of personality types that are present in every organization and social setting, and that does include your family, by the way, as well as developing techniques and strategies to manage conflicts and effective communication. It'll provide you with a framework to deal with emotions that difficult people bring out in you. Have you ever noticed that certain people can trigger you in a certain way? Well, now you'll find out why, and you'll be more in control of your responses and reactions to that person. Sneha is one of the instructors. She is a psychologist, and Shashank is an executive coach. They are wonderful, wonderful people and wonderful trainers, and they are so thrilled to be coming to Canada, and I would love to have you with me to welcome them. So for more information, please do visit www.thetraining.ca or just simply send me an email, victoria@thetraining.ca. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye-bye for now.